أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. Ya ayyuhan nasu. This is the address of Allah to the whole human beings, including muttaqeen, mu'min, kuffar, munafiqeen, everyone. So this is the address of Allah for everyone, all the human beings of the world. So Allah said, Ya ayyuhan nasu budu. Ya ayyuhan nasu. O mankind, O people of the world. So budu. Worship. Rabbakum, your Lord. Allazi, who, the one who, khalaqakum, who created you, wallazina, and created those people, min qablikum, who were before you. So, la'allakum, so that you may become tattakun, muttaki, righteous or pious people. So Allah wants to see us pious, muttaqeen, noble person, nice person. So that is the objective of this ayat. So, but this ayat also gave us a good lesson that Allah will become happy with those people also who are munafiqeen, because before that 13 ayat were about the munafiqeen. If the munafiqeen, they do astaghfar and make tawbah and come back to Allah, and then there is chances of their forgiveness, and for them Allah said this is the open message, open invitation of Allah, open address to the whole people of the world, including munafiqin and everyone. So you come to pray Allah, worship Allah. So this is the when you worship Allah, your Lord who created you. This is Allah is telling us, the creation is the blessings, because if you look at the body part of yourself and also the system of your body and all the mind and heart and all the body parts, everything, what the functions and psychology and morphology, everything you can check and see, and this is really a blessing of Allah. So, and you can see how it has been created, and you see now the people, the inventions of different things they do, like but the best invention is the human body that has been invented, created by Allah. So we must be thankful to Allah, and the best way of thankful is to worship Allah. So this is the main thing we have to do. So this way Allah said, and Allah is also giving us the gift in reward of that also, that you will become muttaqeen. Muttaqeen are those people who will go to the Jannah without any, uh, just accountability. Just because they are muttaqeen are those people who are favorite person, because Allah said in ulaik humul muflihun, because they are really the successful guided people, and when the person become muttaqeen, automatically Allah's mercies fall on that one, and he is properly guided, and the person, Allah's blessings are with that person, so persons can't able to do anything bad. So because of Allah's mercies on that, and angels of mercies, angels of protection with that person, so protect the person from doing the wrong things, and the person always is in a mind to do everything good, and shaitan is away from that person, because that person, the muttaqi, is always protected, and shaitans and all other forces which are just to do bad things becomes away from that person with the mercies of Allah. So if the person becomes muttaqin, so this is the best reward for the just Allah gave us as a if we worship Allah and follow the commands of Allah that we got from Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. As the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said at the time of Hajj, he said, I am leaving two things for you, the Holy Quran and Sunnah. Until unless you will follow it, you will be at right track, and when you will leave it, then you will go astray, go lost. So that is the thing. So we have to follow the commands of Allah under the guidance of Holy Quran and Sunnah of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And if you look, this is the Islam that started from the Adam alayhi Islam when the human being created and came on the surface of the earth. So the Islam is the religion that is liked by Allah and sent down with Adam alayhi Islam also on the surface of earth. And from that time, all the prophets they came to update Islam, and which was needed with the passage of time. And the last update version, the guidance that came through the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and we got Holy Quran and Sunnah. So this is the last updated version of Islam. We got it for the humankind, human being. So mankind, they are blessed because they got the last updated guidance from the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the form of Holy Quran and Sunnah. So that is the main thing. So we got it, we have to follow it. This way Allah said, this is the address invitation to the general public that Ya ayyuhan nasu, O people, Sobudu, worship Rabbakum, your Lord, Allazi, the one who khalaqakum, who created you. Look how you can't create anything, but you can see that about your creation. So how many things you can see in your body, physiologically or morphologically, from every point of view, you can see. So how much blessed your body is, and that has been created by Allah. You must be thankful to Allah. The best way to thankful is to worship Allah. وَالَّذِينَ خَلَقَكُمْ وَالَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ. Allah created you and the people who are before you. So لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so that you become a righteous person, you may become the pious people, you may become the nice person. So the main thing is that in the eyes of Allah, we will be nice or good when we will follow the commands of Allah that we got from the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, last updated version of guidance of the religion Islam that started from Adam alayhi salam and ended at Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and no prophet will come up to the day of judgment. And if you research just to do, the first Adam alayhi salam was there, and his language was Arabic also, and the language of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is also Arabic. When we will die in our grave, the language that will be we will be taught with by the angels, that will be also Arabic, and in the hell and in the uh, Jannah or paradise, the language will be Arabic also, and this is the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So he is our last messenger, last prophet of Allah. Just for the guidance we got from him in the form of Holy Quran and Sunnah, we have to make our iman more strong and more powerful, and then we have to move our body parts to do good deeds just under the guidance of Quran and holy Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. If we will do it, we will be nice person, we will be thankful to Allah, we will be good worshipper of Allah, and inshallah we will get the good reward.